right, so a little side topic here as far as some different videos that I'm gonna be doing here coming next. I know a majority of you guys watch the videos for the 335 N54. Still working on an N55 car, so I have not forgotten, and I have been heavily looking to find the right one. Trying to find one owner, certain color, of course, meaning black, jet black, but I'll take a sapphire metallic. I could do that. Of course, N55, but want to find M Sport. So I'm trying to find that, making sure everything checks out and all that. So that's that. But outside of the video, so N54, because I'm still keeping it, N55 videos, so that will soon be coming. So I'm gonna be doing some actual garage videos, meaning, so time to do something for the floors. So I'm gonna be working on that. I'm gonna show you that DIY. There is actually some nice LED lights, sweet system, high lumens for the garage door, so I'm gonna do that. Doing a wall vac, so mounting that. Some pressure washing stuff, but not so much, but I'm trying to come up with my own kind of system for that piece. So of course, got the compressor here. I have new tools I want to do all cabinets and stuff like that. So some side videos to come as far as some of that stuff, but still with doing all the normal DIY videos on top of that. So that's like a little bonus, I guess to say, that's going to be coming here now. But you know, we've just got done with a level 3 snowstorm here, so it's been actually pretty crazy. So of course, working in my office, that's here in my home, so I don't drive my 335 on a day-to-day basis. I'll take it out, you know, every few days, but with it being pretty bad out lately, I just keep it in and I take my SUV if I need to go anywhere. So I got that I'm working on, that I'm doing. But little sidebar with this video, nice little win-win for you guys here. So down in the comment section below, if you haven't watched the video about the Bluetooth adapter that I have in my car, I'm gonna be doing another 2 giveaway of that. So the 2 people are gonna be winning that. All you have to do is comment in the comment section below, pick a number from 1 to 100, and the first 2 people that will get it, I'll send the Bluetooth adapter to them. US only, of course, and it will come through Amazon. So I like doing these nice little giveaways, really simple ones on the fly, so that way, you know, if you guys have been wanting to have Bluetooth audio in your BMW or really any car that you have that has an aux in there, it works. So just do it there. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box below as far as what I'm sending you, so you can exactly see what it is if you do not already know what it is. So check that out. And best of luck to you guys. Looking forward to seeing the winner down in the comments section below. As soon as I see the first 2, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna sort by oldest to newest, so that way I can see the oldest comments all filtered from bottom to up. And then I'll just go through and see who gets the number. Usually these contests will last like 24 hours, if that, before someone does get closest to the number. Now, if you get exactly on the number, I'll do something special for you guys and I'll send something in addition to the Bluetooth adapter. So best of luck, of course. Comment section below. Check out the other videos, more great videos to come. Guys, thanks again. Subscribe if you haven't already. And take care. Hope you have a great day. Stay warm.